Now, one of the things that we have been learning, we have learned before and also over the past couple of chapters, is that any type of chemical is represented by a chemical formula. What are examples of chemical formulas? H2O, chemical formula of water. NaCl, chemical formula of sodium chloride, right? So these are all represented. Any chemical is represented as a chemical formula. So once a chemical formula is given to you, how do you write name of the compound? How do you know the name of the compound if a chemical formula is given to you? Or when a name of compound is given to you, how do you represent it as a chemical formula? First, when a compound is given or it is represented on paper as a formula, again, all these are examples. We have to first recognize if it is an ionic compound, this is one type of compound. If it's a covalent compound, also known as molecular compound, or if it is a acid, okay, or hydrate. These are all the types of formulas that we will see in 1211, right, in Gen Chem. So once you see a compound, how do you recognize it or how do you classify it as ionic or covalent or acidic or hydrate, right? So, and then how do you name the compound given the formula, or given the name, how do you write the formula of the compound? This is what we are going to learn in the next few videos.